Welcome to our first tutorial for using TinkerCAD to create objects for 3D printing. If you've never used TinkerCAD before, start by browsing to the website www.tinkercad.com. If you have used TinkerCAD before, you can proceed by signing in using the login and password that you created when you joined TinkerCAD. Otherwise, if you don't have a TinkerCAD or Autodesk account, you'll need to click on the Join Now option and complete the registration process as it is presented to you. Once you have successfully created an account and logged in, it's time to create a new design. So simply click on the option for Create New Design. Once you have clicked on the Create a New Design option, you will be presented with the TinkerCAD drawing interface. The TinkerCAD drawing interface contains quite a few items to work with. First, on the right side of the screen, you should see some basic shapes, and you can scroll down to see all the basic shapes that are available to work with. Also, to the left of the basic shapes, more in the middle of the screen, you can see the default work plane. Before we start creating our project, I'm going to suggest you change the name of your project. TinkerCAD creates some very interesting names by default. Right now this one's called Fantastic Lottie, but let's click on it and change it to Keychain Plate. That'll be something easier to remember than the names that TinkerCAD gives us by default.